What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix estimating time remaining on your on your iPhone. Now, if you're using macOS Mojave via via iTunes or Finder. So if you're using macOS Mojave, you're going to do iTunes, but if you're using macOS Catalina, you're going to want to use Finder. So I'm using macOS Catalina, so I'm going to use Finder, so you can see right there. Finder. Okay. So first thing is we're gonna want to connect this phone to our laptop. So my computer does not have any USB cables. So if your iPhone connector has plugs in with a USB, you're gonna want to buy a separate device here, which you can connect from this charger. So you basically want to put your charger here, connect it to your charger right here, and connect it. So watch when I connect this. Watch how right over. Let's put my mouse somewhere here. Right over here, an iPhone thing is gonna pop up, just like that network you see, an iPhone. So, okay, plugged it in. Okay, so we go here, we click on, we see this, we click on that, and we see all of this. We see, so we can stop recording on this for now on the iPhone. Okay, so we see things. So we see like the battery level and things like that. So it says sync your iPhone. We can get started. Agree, save. Actually just save it. Okay, just wait. Save it. Cancel that. Wait 1 second. Okay. Sorry. First, for now, I'll just take this off because I don't want to do that. So sorry it took so long. Okay, so you see here, it'll show everything like this. Oh, skip backup. We're gonna skip this backup, and we're just gonna yep. So see how it says iOS 14.2 is available for iPhone. So what we have to do is get the thing in. This is okay. Now we're all here. We can get all of it, and we can do this, and we can update our iPhone. So it's gonna ask, do you want to do it? So before pressing update, do not press update. Press cancel. It's gonna ask you twice. Then press backup now, because if you do that, all your see how all the storage space, it's gonna go right into your computer. So then if you lose it, you can just transfer all the storage back to your iPhone. So back it up, and I don't want to do it just yet because I don't have to. So yeah, so back up now and do it. Now, before you actually try doing it via iTunes and everything, you should check restarting your iPhone or going to settings and deleting the update. So if that all doesn't work, go here. Come here. I do this. So after you've backed everything up and you done one of these two, you can update. So you can update and it should work. But for some reason, if it does not update, you're gonna want to restore your iPhone. Restore your iPhone means basically everything just comes back. It's basically a whole reset for the whole phone. Like your phone is whole resetting, but the apps and the files, I don't think they will be deleted. So that's why. But just in case, you should back it up, because if it does get deleted, no, because it's basically just gonna. If you restore iPhone, it's basically just gonna ask you what's your Apple ID to sign in, what's your how do you want this phone to be customized, things like that. So yeah, that's basically it. After that, it should work. Please comment down below if something happened and it's not working for you. Yeah. Now first of all, let me quickly show you on the iPhone what you should do before you come here. Okay. So let me go to one. So give me just 1 second. Okay, guys, hopefully you can see my screen. I'm back. Something happened. Yeah. So you should be able to see it somewhere. I'm going to have to put it small here somewhere. So you can see my screen. It'll say, you go to General. You tap on General. You go to Software Update. And it's going to see this. Update requested. This is what's wrong. It's saying estimating time remaining. So this is what I'm going to want to do if I ever want to update this phone. Now, for now, I do not want to update the phone. But yes, if this is wrong. So a quick tip, if you want to delete, if you want to switch, another tip, if it doesn't work, is you go to iPhone storage. You you just wait for this to come. You go all the way down. You see settings or updates. So you go to system. No. Sorry. Other. No. Yes. So here on. So as you can see on this one. iOS 14.2. Yes. This is what you should do. It says delete update right here. This is what you should do before you come to this one. But if it doesn't even show this, that happened to me once, then you want to come here and have it. So that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe. It will mean so much to me, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.